Most reviewers test knives. I test the steel. Today we're looking at a handmade Bulgarian custom knife by Atanas Nikolov. CPM 20CV steel. Cryo-treated 62 HRC. Let's see if the performance matches the specs. First impressions. This knife looks seriously clean. Carbon fiber handle scales, modern aggressive lines, and a practical fixed blade design. It comes with a Kydex sheath, good retention, solid fit. This already feels like a premium custom piece. But looks are easy. What matters to me is edge geometry. The grind looks even. The bevels are clean. Behind the edge, it feels thin enough to cut efficiently, without being fragile. That's exactly what I want to see. Now let's talk steel. CPM 20CV is serious steel. Excellent corrosion resistance, excellent wear resistance, and when heat treated properly, outstanding edge retention. At 62 HRC with cryo treatment, expectations are high. Now from a sharpener's perspective, this steel feels crisp, hard, clean. No soft feeling, no gummy burr. Burr formation feels controlled, which usually points to a solid heat treat. That is what premium steel should feel like. Now performance, clean push cuts through paper, easy slicing, stable apex, no tearing, no drama. So, can this compete with big brands? Honestly, yes, in some ways it feels better because this knife was not made for mass production. It was made by someone who cares. Big brands have machines. Custom makers have passion. And this one definitely shows it. What do you think? Custom or factory? Let me know in the comments.